Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to set your eBay account region. Open eBay application on your device and then enter My eBay section that is located at the bottom side of the screen, and then scroll down and you see here account section and we need settings. Open it, and here in the general section you'll see here country or region, and here is the list of all countries. You can choose one, for example Spain, and you see that it has changed, and when you go to home page you will see that everything will be in Spanish. All the advertisements, all the categories will be in Spanish. So that's how you can set your region on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.